Teacher tech tip. Add sound effects to your lesson. I'm teaching online because of the coronavirus. So I hope you're ready to have fun. I'm ready. Who can give me the answer to the first problem?
Anyone? Anyone?
Pretty good.
So if you Google the Zoom call soundboard, you'll find this website. I'm also going to put the link in the comment section of this video. So check this out. It is so cool. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Hello, Newman. All right. Pretty good. It's pretty good.
Well, what you want to do is not necessarily what you're gonna do.
Coronavirus.
Treat yourself.
Anyone? Anyone?
Okay, so now I'm on Zoom. I'm recording my Zoom session, and I love using this soundbite website. I've actually made some other sounds, and I use those as well, but the idea of using sounds in your classroom is amazing. And I got the idea from the Beyond the Mean Math Conference, and this backdrop is from that conference. And at this conference, a teacher named Teacher Vinh, who is Math Whiz Wit on Instagram, showed us this website, and all the presenters and I were like, this is great. So I had to share it with you guys. Thank you, Teacher Vinh, for showing us this. You are amazing. Make sure to follow him. He's great to follow. And, you know, I think this website is
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
all right. So now I'm going to show you how to actually share your sound on Zoom to be able to use this website. All you have to do is, here I'm on Zoom, and here's the website. I have both windows up on my screen. So you hit the share screen button, and then you're going to head over to advanced and just share the computer sound. That way your students have no idea what's coming. So now the sound, it says at the top, look, you are sharing computer sound. So now the sound is there, and you can teach your lesson, do what you want to do, and when you're ready to say, oh, does anyone have a question? Anyone have a question? Or you could say, okay, you guys, I have some important news for you. All right, hope this is helpful. Go ahead and subscribe and follow me for more tips, more math, awesome websites and activities and lessons. Hope to see you more on here. Bye.